Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is my Saturday Mishmash. I would like to welcome all of my subbies back. I so appreciate you and your support that you've given me. This is one thing that makes me very happy. Here are my friends and my family. That's how I feel about you guys. Any of you who may be new, I hope you enjoy my channel and that you stick around for a long time. So, what do I have for you today? I have 2 pieces of Happy Mail that came Monday or Tuesday for my birthday. I have a little make and I have a little haul. Small. This should be pretty quick. Alrighty, so I got 2 cards in the mail. They're beautiful. And this first one, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this is from Martha. Ooh, there's some butterflies. Beautiful butterflies and the ATC. I love adding to my ATC book. It's so big. Let's see here. Martha's YouTube is Martha_makes_art. I'm not going to give out her email. Her birthday is April 30th. Her favorite color is pink. Holiday is Christmas. Her favorite flower is a rose. Her favorite seasons are fall and winter. Me too, Martha. Oh gosh, I do not like summer at all. Her favorite animals are cats. And her style is mixed media, crafts, and elements, scrapbook paper, stickers, gems, glitter, and acrylic paint. And she does them on a card, playing card. Very cool. Look at the butterflies, how pretty. Always take the scenic route. I try to tell Grumpy that all the time. Don't go on a highway. Go on the surface streets. I want to see stuff. Look how pretty this is. Pretty card, and she put some flowers on it. Isn't that pretty? Pretty color. And let's see, she says, "Hello Sue, I just wanted to wish you a wonderful birthday. I hope your day is filled with sweet and happy surprises. I also want to thank you for your beautiful birthday card to me and your friendship and support of my channel. Thank you so much and happy birthday. Your new friend, Martha." And she put a butterfly. Martha's awesome. I really enjoy her. And she's become such a fantastic subby and friend in such a short amount of time. So I hope you go out and check her out. Martha Makes Art. And my other card comes from my good friend. Look at the pretty flower. That should give you a hint. Denise Becker. Look at this card she made me. So pretty. So pretty. That paper is glistening. I don't know if she put Winka Stellar on that or something. Oh, so pretty. It says, "Happy birthday to my beautiful friend." Oh, and I love this fun fold card. Love it. Let me see. Oh, she's so sweet. "My dear Suzanne, wishing you a very happy birthday. Be a queen for the day, LOL. Enjoy your special day. Love you with all my heart. Love, Denise." Oh, I love you too. Love you too. I love this card. That's so pretty. I'm going to have to make this one. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. I saw that she showed this on her channel, and when I saw this card, I said, "That's my birthday card." And it is. And I'm very happy about that. Actually, Denise is going to become visiting soon. Woo! About time. We've been friends for like 4-5 years on YouTube, and we're finally going to get to meet in person. Finally. Alrighty, let me see, what did I buy? Well, my son that lives here gave me a Michael's gift card for my birthday, which he had also done for Mother's Day. And at Mother's Day, I went out and bought 8 cakes of Karen Blossom yarn because I love the yarn. It's so soft, it's so pretty, the colors are beautiful. So what do you think I did with this birthday gift card? I went out and bought more yarn. Well, Michael's was out of it, but I could order it online. So I got 3 colors I don't already have. I got this color, all the greens, I love it, a little bit of blue. And this one is called Tide Pool. So pretty, so pretty. I love this yarn, and unfortunately it's only temporary, so it's going away. Oh, I'm so sad. And 8 ounces, that's a lot of yarn. You don't find that much yarn these days in a skein, or in this case, a cake. Cakes are usually big. And I got this color. Isn't that pretty? Look at the colors they have. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is what I want to make. Hey, I want to make myself a wrap, like a shawl. Not a shawl that comes down to a V. I'm not crazy about those. But one that you can just wrap around your shoulders and come down your arms a little bit. Because sometimes here in my craft room, I get a bit chilly. And I just want to wrap something around my shoulders. So I'm going to make myself one. But which color do I choose? This is called Radiant Rainbow. That beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, gosh. I would buy this out of every Michael's if I could. And then they had this one. Beautiful. And I believe this is called Blossom. I believe. Let's see. Yes, it's called Blossoms. Isn't it pretty? Look at Annie, purple. It's so nice. It's so soft. It's so easy to work with because it's a chain spun yarn. So it doesn't fray. Nice yarn. So thank you to my son and my daughter-in-law for the nice gift card. And it worked out so well. I bought these online because my Michael's is out of them, and they're $13 each. That's expensive. That's the most I've ever paid for yarn. And if I ordered them online, there would be a 30% discount on the entire order. So you figure out 6 times 13, whatever that came to. I think it was like $60-something for 6 skeins of yarn. And because my order was $50 or more, I didn't only get the 30% off the entire order, I also got free shipping. So that saved like $10 or $12. So the only added thing I got was tax, and that wasn't too bad. My son gave me a $50 gift card after I was done taking all those discounts and everything. I paid $8 for all that yarn. Yay, that's the way to shop. That's the way to shop. I was so happy, so happy. And that's it. That's all I have for a haul. I really haven't been doing much of anything since I made that album. I got a little worn out after that, but I got birthdays coming up June, so I need to get going on making cards. But this morning, my good friend Denise Becker put up a video, and it's a clutch bag, and it was so cute. So I said, I'm going to give that a try. I got to show something that I make. I mean, I can't just sit here not doing anything for like 2 weeks. So I'm trying to find something here on my computer. I get all these pretty pictures of the Catskills. What the heck? So I made, let's see if she's got it here, clutch bag, she's calling it. And she used the Irresistible Blooms set. I got her hooked on this because I bought this first. And I've made quite a few cards and stuff with it too. I love it. Got the dies to go with it. So really nice set. Love it, love it, love it. The dies are beautiful. Got some speckle. I love that. So anyhow, she used that this morning. This is her 4th project that she's showed or done a tutorial on using this set. So she loves it too. So she made that little box and I thought it was so cute. And she did hers all black and she clear embossed these flowers on the black cardstock so they show up shiny. It's very pretty, very pretty. I have trouble working with black and I did not want to follow her exactly, so I just made my own. And it's following her tutorial, which was very easy to follow and very easy to make. Actually, about the only thing I had to go back and watch was where the score lines were on the paper and what the size of the paper was she started with. Anyhow, so this is the one I made. And I embossed all this gold. This is not what the paper looks like. I did this. All the gold embossing all around. And then I made this little embellishment, I guess, on the closure. It's quite a generous box. Look at the size. How cute. Isn't that cute? I like this. I like this a lot. And then this opens and you've got quite a bit of room in there to put candy, or if you wanted to send embellishments to a friend. And as you could hear, it's got a magnet closure. So I thought this was really cute. The only thing I'm not nuts about is this plain white piece here. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Probably nothing, because I never send the first piece I make to anybody because it's never perfect. But I think in the future, if I do this again, I'm going to emboss this. So we have some embossing on that. And like Denise was saying, you could put a little handle on here, like a handbag. Isn't that cute? I thought it was so cute. I'll put a link to her video in the description so you can go and check it out. And maybe you can make one. You don't have to do it like we did. You don't have to emboss, but you can. With any stamp that you have, if you don't have this set. Or you could use patterned paper. I mean, there's no rules on paper. You know, you can do whatever you like. But I wanted to do how she did hers. I just did the opposite. She did black, I did white. So anyhow, tell me what you think. Do you like it white and gold? And that's it. That's all I got for you. One little thing. You know, I've been making my hats for my Hat Not Hate program. And I went on the website the other day to read any updates or anything they might have about it. And guess what? They're not taking hats this year. So I got all these blue hats I made sitting in a box. What? Nowhere to go. Oh, can't believe it. Can't believe it. And I love doing them. I love making hats because I can sit after dinner at night and whip out a hat while we're watching TV. And I like those quick little projects. I'm going to make myself a wrap. I just have to find a pattern I like and decide which one of these cakes I'm going to use, because I'm going to use up one of those. And, well, 2 of those. It'll more than likely take 2 to make it. But I'm so disappointed. I've been making and donating to them for several years, and I don't know why. No explanation. It just says they're not taking any hats at this time. So I have to find someplace else to give my hats, because I really like doing it. I really like making them. But that's it. I have no plans for the weekend. We had a great time with Russ and Annie the other day. And last night on From Mimi with Love's channel, she did the funniest video. Because we have this big joke going. Annie's husband, Russ, is a doll. I just love them. We have a great time when we're together. And he's kind of shy. A little bit. So you got Annie the wife, and Melissa, Mimi, says she's his girlfriend. So I said, wait a minute, I feel a little left out. So when they were here the other day, I said, I feel left out. So I decided I'm going to be your secret mistress. His face got so red. It was hysterical. And then he says, we got to do a video. We got to do a video. So we did the video. And of course, Mimi saw it and she left this comment. So she did this video last night about me being an interloper into their business, that she's his girlfriend and Annie's his wife, and here I come. You know, oh gosh, it was so funny. If you have a chance, go over to her channel and watch it, because it was fun. It was a lot of fun. All in jest. We're all just joking around, having a good time. But oh gosh, I laughed so much last night watching that. She's incredible. I love her too. I got such good friends here. Such good friends. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful, fantastic weekend. And remember, be creative, have fun, do something just a little bit naughty. Until next time, love yous. Bye.